Hi. Traveling can be both a fun and stressful experience. Especially for first-time travelers, some mistakes are inevitable. In this video, we have compiled the 10 most common mistakes made while traveling, and we will tell you what you should pay attention to in order not to make these mistakes. Not doing enough research. It is important to have information about the history, culture, climate, and transportation facilities of the place you are traveling to. Not doing enough research can cause you to go to the wrong place, travel at an inappropriate time, or encounter unexpected situations. Failure to take security precautions. It is important to learn about the security conditions where you are traveling and take the necessary security precautions. For example, some countries have a high risk of theft. In this case, you should be careful when carrying valuables with you. Not wearing appropriate clothing. It is important to wear appropriate clothing for the climatic conditions of your destination. For example, if you are traveling to a tropical country in summer, you should prefer light and airy clothes. Not knowing a foreign language. Not knowing a foreign language where you are traveling can cause you to have difficulty communicating. This can be especially problematic when you need to communicate with the locals. Not trying the local food. Trying the local food of the place you are traveling to is one of the best ways to experience the culture. Trying local dishes will help you discover new flavors and make your trip more enjoyable. Not joining tours. Joining tours allows you to easily and quickly see the most important places of the place you are traveling to. Especially if you have limited time, joining tours can be a good option. Choosing cheap accommodation options. Cheap accommodation options can help you stay within your budget. However, some cheap accommodation options can be risky in terms of hygiene or safety. Therefore, you should be careful when choosing cheap accommodation options. Not having travel insurance. Travel insurance covers you against unexpected situations you may encounter during your trip. For example, if you get sick or have an accident, you can cover your expenses thanks to travel insurance. Not planning your time well. It is important to allow enough time to see all the beauties of the place you are traveling to. If you don't plan your time well, you may have to rush to see some places. Avoiding these travel mistakes will make your trip more enjoyable and hassle-free. Use the information in this video to help you plan your travels better.